English essay Diwali. Diwali is the biggest festival of the Hindus. It comes in October or November. Diwali is a festival of lights. People clean and decorate their houses before Diwali. They buy new clothes. They also send greeting cards to their friends and relatives. On the day of Diwali, women draw colorful rangolis. Special sweets are prepared on that day. The doors are decorated with festoons made of marigold flowers and leaves of Asoka tree. At night, there are rows of earthen lamps in every house. Children burst crackers. Businessmen perform Chapda Pujan. The new year is celebrated the next day with joy. People get up early and go to the temple. They visit their friends and relatives. They wish one another a happy new year. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.